Okay, hi guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how I get ready. I'm going to lunch with my friends right now. Before I put my makeup on, I make sure my face is clean and then I moisturize. Now that my beauty sponge is all damp, I'm going to use the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I'm in the shade 4.5. I put it right onto my beauty sponge. I don't know why I did that. I never do that, but we're going with it. Okay, yeah. So I did this. I love it, but there are some spots, obviously, that still could use a little bit more coverage. So I'm just gonna put a tiny bit on the beauty sponge and just kind of go over those areas. Okay. Now that we are all done with that, we're going to conceal, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm in the shade Light Sand. I have mixed feelings about this concealer. Does it work great? Yes. Do I think it's a little dry? Yes. It does cover though, but it's just a little dry. And like, I don't know, I just like don't really like how that looks. I still use it though because, like I said, it covers and I bought it, so I'm gonna use it, but not as obsessed as everyone else in the world. Okay, that looks fine, I guess. Then I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier. No, I'm not. I take it back. I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs. I don't even know what this is. It's like a highlight and bronzing contour duo thing, but I like to take the highlight shade, and before I do, I just go back over it with my beauty sponge. I just make sure that there is no creases because you obviously don't want to set creases into your eye. Okay. Now we're going to go in with the Laura Mercier Translucent. I mainly just focus this on certain areas. I will kind of go over my under eye, but I'll mainly try to fill in areas where there's a lot of pores, like right here. Forehead, just because that's where I get oily. Basically, I do your T-zone. Makeup Forever HD Translucent Powder. This brush is probably not supposed to be used for this, but I have literally always used this brush for this step. So I use the Sigma Duo 5 brush in F50, the Makeup Forever Translucent Powder, tap into it, and I just tap. I just like the look this brush gives. I feel like it gives it more like just like a smoother effect. Next, I need to bronze up my skin, so I'm going to use the, what brand is this? Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I use the Morphe R2 brush, and I just bronze up my face. Honestly, like, I'm aware that I just put all of that on so messily, but like, people are gonna cringe even more. With the same brush, I just like pinch it along the outside of my nose. I'm not trying to contour my nose. I'm just trying to give it more of a shadow on the outside, just because I feel like when you don't have that, your nose just looks like there's no shape to your nose. Okay, sorry if this is not where the camera was before. My camera just randomly stopped recording, so it skipped a little bit. I put my blush on. I used this Sephora blush palette. I used this shade and this shade. I applied it with my Morphe E4 brush. Okay, I'm back. I just recharged my battery. I feel like a real YouTuber now, like I'm having camera trouble. Anyways, I'm going to use the ColourPop collaboration with Kathleen Light, and this is what it looks like. I'm literally only going to use one color. I'm going to use this Scone blending brush, tap into the color Shooting Star, Then, like I do with every brush, I'm gonna put some more product on and pinch the brush and then just go underneath my eye. Once again, I'm not saying this is something people should do. I'm just saying this is what I do. Next, it is time to highlight, and my other friend for my birthday got me the highlighting duo in the shade Subtle Sunrise. So pretty. So I just did a light 2 taps, tap it off, and then just very lightly. This is the Morphe M510 brush. I'm gonna use this brush just because that's what I grabbed and it's kind of like what I was looking for, but not really. The Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna use that to apply highlight to the tip of my nose. Also give us a nice inner corner highlight. And I'm gonna go back in with the lighter color and put that on my Cupid's bow and on my chin. I go in with the Modern Renaissance palette. I use the color Tempera to highlight because this is the best highlighting brow bone. Hello? I'm gonna use the MAC 214 brush. I put that under here. I love this. I think it is like the perfect brow bone highlight shade, at least in my opinion. And then I'm going in with the brush I originally used in my crease, and I'm just like blending the Anastasia clear brow gel. I don't do my brows ever. I always just put clear brow gel in them. Okay, awesome. Awesome possum. Then I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Okay, then I'm gonna use my favorite mascara ever. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic. It's upside down because I'm the best YouTuber. This has been my favorite mascara for my whole life. I'm literally just going to lunch with my friends, so I'm not really feeling a lip color. I'll probably just like put on some chapstick. Last step, I'm gonna use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay, I've never used this. This is exciting. I feel like that got more in my hair than anywhere else. Okay, that was great. Yeah, it's like all in my hair. No, it feels good, but like I just feel like it didn't really get, I don't know how to aim apparently. Alright, my face better oh no, my face feels like it's gonna last. Dang. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link everything that I use if I upload this in the description. I don't know why I'm using this brush. So that's it for this video. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.